Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable allow screen capture on your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the file in the top left corner. Now select the settings. Here, let me close the security and preferences because we need to focus on the app settings for all accounts. Now here we will have the allow screen capture. As you guys can see, it will allow the Bitwarden desktop application to be captured in screenshots and viewed in remote desktop sessions, your streams, everything. So disabling it, you guys will see my desktop now, so you won't see the application. And now you can see the application again. It's how the screen capture works. Basically, you can hide your Bitwarden entirely. And that's basically how you guys can do that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.